In this video, I'll show you how to update the inventory for your products in WooCommerce. As an example, let's take a look at the simple product on my site, Gray Sofa. As you can see, I have 2 units in stock. Let's assume we need to update the inventory to 10 units. To make this adjustment, first we'll log into WordPress dashboard, then hover on WooCommerce, and then select Settings. Then at the very top, click on Products tab, then select Inventory. Look for Manage Stock option, and then enable Stock Management, and then click on Save Changes. Now hover on Products, then select All Products, then locate the product in question. My case is this one, Gray Sofa, then select Edit. Once the editor loads, at top right corner, click on Screen Options, and then set the check mark for product data. Now scroll down and look for the product data section. As you can see, it's a simple product. Then select Inventory. Right in here, make sure to enable this option, Track Stock Quantity for this product. And just underneath, you can make the adjustment to the quantity. Let me change from 2 units to 10 units. Then scroll up and then click on Update Changes. Once the product was updated, go back to your website and try refreshing the product page. And as you can see, it now shows 10 units in stock. Alternatively, if you have a product with multiple variations, as in my case this one, coffee table, it comes in 2 different sizes, medium and large. Let's take a look at quantities. The medium size has 4 units in stock, and the large one also 4 units. To update the inventory for each variation, the process is very similar. Once again, go back to the WordPress admin, hover on Products, then select All Products. Now look for the product in question. My case is this one, coffee table, then select Edit. Now scroll down, look for the product data section. As you can see, it's a variable product, and then select Variations. Let's start off by making changes to the medium variation. For that, click on Edit. Scroll down once again, make sure the Manage Stock option is enabled, and then in the Stock Quantity field, that's where we can make the adjustment. Let's change the stock quantity from 4 units to 20 units. Now scroll down, Save Changes. Now let's repeat the same process for the large variation. Let's find it, then select Edit. Now once again, make sure the Manage Stock option is enabled. And for the large variation, let's change the stock quantity from 4 units to 30 units. And once again, scroll down, then Save Changes. Now scroll all the way to the top and then click on Update. Now let's go back to the products page. Let's try refreshing it. Okay, let's take a look. The medium size has 20 units in stock, and the large size, 30 units in stock. So as usual, I hope you found this video useful. If more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.